Welcome to the SlimCart mobile documentation workstation from CAPSA Healthcare. During this video, we will guide you through the steps to properly assemble the SlimCart, mount accessories, and test the cart for proper operation. Preparing for the assembly. The hex tools and hardware needed for cart assembly are provided. The hardware is packaged in separately labeled bags and correspond to specific attachments noted in the assembly instructions. The SlimCart and any accessories for mounting are delivered wrapped, taped, and in cartons to provide protection during transit. Before beginning, remove all of the packaging materials and tape from the cart and accessories. Fastening the work surface, column, and latch lever. To begin, place the work surface upside down on a clean, flat surface. Align the 4 holes in the column assembly plate with the 4 work surface holes. Secure the column assembly to the work surface using the 4mm hex screws provided in Bag A. Route the cable and align the 4 holes in the latch lever assembly plate with the 4-hole pattern on the work surface, which is located in the lower left-hand corner of the front handle. Fasten the latch lever plate to the work surface using the 4 4mm hex screws provided in Bag B. Mouse tray assembly. Turn the mouse tray over. Slip the bracket, with the tab side facing the left, over the long edge of the mouse tray. Holding onto the mouse tray and the bracket, insert the long edge of the non-bracket side of the mouse tray into the bracket fastened to the underside of the work surface. Slide the mouse tray to the left, enough to access the 2 mounting holes. Secure the bracket into place with the 2 flathead 2.5mm hex screws provided in Bag C. Slide the mouse tray to the right to access the other 2 mounting holes, and secure into place using the 2 remaining hex screws from Bag C. Work surface and base subassembly. Place the base onto the column, caster side up, with the CAPSA logo on the base aligning with the front of the cart. Align the 4 holes on the base with the 4 holes on the column end. Secure the base to the column with the 4 lock washers, and 5mm hex bolts in Bag D, in that order. Attaching the leg or center ballasts. If your cart is equipped with drawers or a column riser to support a lightweight monitor, leg or center ballast will be provided. To attach leg ballasts, insert one of the leg ballasts into one of the legs, noting that they are tapered to fit the leg. Align the holes of the ballast with the holes of the leg base. Secure the ballast into place with 2 3mm hex screws provided in Bag E. Repeat the steps to attach the 3 remaining leg ballasts. If a center ballast is provided, insert the ballast into the center of the base assembly and align the hole patterns. Use the smaller outer holes to fasten the first ballast, using 4 5mm hex screws provided in Bag F. If a second center ballast is provided, align it on top of the first ballast. Use the smaller innermost holes for mounting the second ballast. Secure it into place using 4 5mm hex screws provided in Bag G. Fastening the single or dual drawer. If your cart includes 1 drawer, first remove the drawer from the housing before attaching it to the cart. Unlock the drawer, pulling it out until it stops. Then push in on the side tabs to completely remove it and set it aside. Place the housing onto the work surface with the cutout flush against the column. Make sure the screw holes between the housing and the work surface are aligned properly. Secure the drawer housing into place using 6 4mm cap head screws provided in Bag H. Turn the cart upright. Ensure that the key lock is in an unlocked position and slide the drawer into place. If attaching a second drawer, you'll be provided with left and right housings and the drawer. Set the drawer aside. Place the left and right housings on top of the first drawer housing. Make sure the screw holes between the side housings and the first drawer housing are aligned properly. Secure the left and right housings into place using 8 4mm cap head hex screws. Turn the cart upright. Ensure the key lock is in an unlocked position and slide both drawers into place. Mounting the column riser to the work surface. To begin, raise the cart so it is easier to access the underside of the work surface. Remove the 4 screws from the bottom of the column riser. Place the tapered end of the monitor column into the recessed cutout in the back middle of the work surface. Secure the monitor column into place using the 4 screws, inserting them from underneath. Fastening the VESA and tablet mounts to the monitor column. If your cart is equipped to support a tablet or monitor mount, first remove the cap from the top of the column riser by carefully inserting the tip of a screwdriver into the cap cutout and gently pulling up on the cap. Slide the mount assembly into the center channel on the tapered front side of the column riser. Secure the mount assembly to the column riser by tightening the 2 4mm hex screws on the T-nut. Replace the cap and push down on it to snap back into place. Attaching the laptop lock mounting bracket. If ordered, the laptop lock mounting bracket is mounted by first removing the 2 nylon nuts from the underside of the lock assembly. Insert the 2 bracket studs into the center holes located on the back center of the work surface. The rod side of the bracket should be facing the front. Secure the lock into place using the 2 nuts and the provided 8mm wrench. To secure a laptop, remove the 2 tamper-resistant hex screws from the ends of the rod. Position the open laptop on the work surface. Refasten the rod in front of the screen using the 2 tamper-proof hex screws. Mounting accessories. The SlimCart column has a front and rear T-track for mounting optional brackets or accessories. Follow the directions provided with each accessory for proper mounting to the SlimCart. Testing the cart. Once fully assembled, test the cart to ensure all components are in proper working order. Test the height adjustment by lifting up on the lever to raise and lower the work surface. Check each locking caster by pressing down on the tab to lock and lift up on the tab to unlock. If the cart is configured with drawers, test to ensure the drawer or drawers open and close properly and lock securely. A user guide is included in the cart packaging to assist users in the operation of the cart. Please contact CAPSA Healthcare should you have any questions or require any assistance during the SlimCart assembly process.